Wu-Tang. Hey. You ever been in a UAE auto parts store? They got like housewares and stuff.
Oh.
It's like hardware. You need a screwdriver, right?
You need something.
Box cutter. Hello.
Yes.
Maybe we want to get. You need a cutter?
I was thinking about. No, it's not this. You need to go in the other shop.
How much for this one?
This 10 dirham.
10
Dirham.
dirham. Oh, dirham.
No dollar. Dirham.
So 10 dirham. How much is that in dollars?
$2.
$3?
$3.
Cheap one.
Yes. You don't need a cutter?
No, me.
No?
What to do with a cutter?
Cut stuff.
You need some.
All right. Maybe we'll come back. Thank you.
No problem.
Okay. Thank you.
I wait.